Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we were talking about how Microsoft wants to improve the performance of Windows 11. And one of the things that they are starting to test in the insider rings is what's called low latency profiles. So this is not something you have control. This is not something you enable, disable. It will not have a setting for you to tweak. It is simply going to arrive on our machines. What it does is it's capable of tweaking and having the CPU run as fast as possible and certain times when you need it. So, what it's going to do is that it's going to increase the speed of your PC at specific moments. And if you wonder if the performance will be visible, well, I can tell you one thing. I will link to a video on X from Zack Bowen of Windows Central. He's the one that tested that feature, and he has a side by side compare of launching apps like File Explorer, the Start menu, the different options in Windows. And you definitely see that there's a huge difference in performance when low latency mode is actually activated compared to when it is not. So it is an interesting little video to look at. Link to the video is in the description below. And so this comes from Windows Central, actually, for the video. It's a video on X account for Zack Bowen. So this looks promising. Looks like we will have a boost in performance within Windows 11 eventually. Like I said, right now it is being tested in the insider rings. So that's going to be something really cool to look at for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.